Welcome to Washington Web Lawyer. Washington Web Lawyer is a new website which was created to eliminate barriers for lawyers who want to do pro bono work and to make it easier for pro bono clients who can't come to a legal clinic in person to get help from volunteer attorneys. Washington Web Lawyer works like a normal legal clinic, except you will be able to control when you give legal advice. Whether it's waiting for your case to be called at the courthouse, taking a break at the local coffee shop, or relaxing at home, you can serve clients who qualify for free legal help but can't get that help through traditional legal services options. Here's how the system works. When potential clients go to the Washington Web Lawyer website, they answer a series of questions to see if they qualify to receive help. Clients are screened in 5 areas. They reside in or have a legal problem in Washington State. Their legal problem is not a criminal charge. They are at least 13 years old. They have a household income less than 200% of the federal poverty level. And they do not already have a lawyer helping them with their problem. If they answer yes to all of these questions, they qualify for assistance and may post legal questions on the website's private messaging system. That's where you come in. Once you have registered to take part in the Washington Web Lawyer project, you will have access to a listing of all the legal questions that have been posted. You'll be able to sort questions by urgency and topic and choose the client that you want to help. The website then gives you the opportunity to answer the question and ask follow-up questions of the client. Your relationship with that client will be private and secure. Your name will be shared with the client when you answer a question, but not your contact information unless you choose to do so. You will have control over when the dialogue ends. You can choose to take a pro bono case from the website, but that is entirely up to you. All we ask if you take a case is that you contact us at this email address to let us know: help@tacomaprobono.org. You can also write to this address at any time if you need help with anything when you are answering a client's question. Washington Web Lawyer is managed by the Tacoma-Pierce County Bar Association's Volunteer Legal Services Program on behalf of the Washington State Alliance for Equal Justice. Our Tacoma program staff are ready to help if you need more resources. You probably have some questions about this new system, such as whether your work will be covered by malpractice insurance. It is. All your pro bono work through Washington Web Lawyer is covered by a professional liability insurance policy maintained by the Tacoma-Pierce County Bar Association Volunteer Legal Services Program, which specifically covers internet-based legal services. Conflict of interest might be another concern, but because of the pro bono nature and limited scope of the advice provided through Washington Web Lawyer, the general rules of conflict of interest do not apply here. Instead, the only conflicts of interest that would preclude you from answering a question for an eligible user of Washington Web Lawyer are conflicts of interest that you know of at the time you review a client's question. You may also want to know what type of relationship exists between the client and volunteer lawyer on this website. When a user submits a question and receives an answer from you, there will be an attorney-client relationship formed between you and the client. That relationship, however, will be limited in scope and duration as described in the Washington Web Lawyer use agreements for both lawyers and users. You can find more detail on these questions by following the Lawyer's Sign Up button on the upper right-hand corner of the home screen and by clicking on the Frequently Asked Questions button. Along with helping people with unmet legal needs, you will also get CLE credit for the time you spend helping Washington Web Lawyer clients. So, what are you waiting for? If you haven't signed up already, now is the perfect time. Just click the Lawyer Sign Up button in the upper right-hand corner of the Washington Web Lawyer homepage, set up your account, and soon you will be able to volunteer your services to help those in need across Washington. Thank you.